Hey everybody, Monty here. Geometry, Mathia, week 5. Okay, so week 5 is October 12th. I'm hoping you're into numbers. You've got these symbols down, and we can start rolling in geometry. Okay, so let's just do a problem in case you haven't seen these yet. Select the indicated object in the diagram, then write a statement for the measure of that object. Okay, so now angle, that represents angle, and it's GEB, angle GEB. So let's just look for that. Let's look for a G. There it is. Let's look for an E. GE. Kind of scroll a little bit. GEB. I'm not sure if you're a computer. I got a small screen here. GEB. GEB. So now I'm going to click here. There it is. GEB. Now it's going to pop up. Okay, and we're going to have to answer a couple questions. Now remember, we have this idea of measure, right? So let's just kind of refresh our memory on that, because in class, I haven't actually formally said that yet. So when we click here, we see segment, measure of the segment, angle, measure of the angle. Now remember, always hit cap lock, and we can go GEB or BEG. Okay, boom. And then the actual measurement. Look, I'm going to have to scroll a little bit, get that out of the way. 19 degrees. Okay, 19, enter. Done deal. Okay, so remember, it's all about symbols. Okay, and let's just write that out real quick. Okay, so in this case, represents an angle, right? And when we have a little m in front of it, that's the measure of the angle. And it showed us a segment, and then measure of a segment. So let's just go A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, A, B. Okay, so remember, it's all about notation in geometry, segment, and then the measure of that segment. Okay, so in this case, A, B, the middle letter is always the vertex, always the vertex. All right, so just keep that in mind. The middle letter will be the vertex. All right, so let's try the next problem, see how we do. Scroll down over here, select EC. Now that stands for segment EC. So scroll up, EC, EC. Bingo. Search for it, click on it. There's lots of things you can click on, so it can get kind of confusing, especially if the mouse isn't quite working right. Okay, measure statement, measure of a segment. Remember, you can move this around to make it easier for you. The measure has an M, so not just segment, but measure of a segment. And then we're going to put capital EC or CE. Check it. And then the actual measure, and this one's in inches, will be 77.8. Enter. Okay, and there's usually 2 parts to each of these problems. Okay, and let's see if we're done. Scroll down, scroll down. We did it. I'm done. And we move on. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful. I'm moving all of you through the getting started so that we're at this point. Okay, so that we're moving on. All right. Thanks for participating. Let's see what the next one is just before we hit stop on this. Okay, so in this case, kind of something 8. Oh man, my little, there it is. Okay, I didn't know that moved back and forth. I'm glad we did that. So now 58 degrees, 58 degrees. Okay, we're going to highlight it, and then we'll probably answer a couple of questions about it. Okay, so in this case, H is the vertex, so IHR, and we want to measure. So angle measure, IHR, And in this case, it was the one that was 58 degrees, so we'll click on 58. Awesome. Okay, next one. Select the object. Uh-oh, there's an object, 33 degrees. I see a 33. Yeah, because that's the big piece. That's the other piece. I like this piece up here. Okay, so we'll have to scroll up so we can get those letters. Move this over, scroll it up. There it is. L-I-H. Okay, so let's go measure. L-I-H. Or H-I-L. Either way. Okay. Hey, wow, flying heart. And 33 degrees. All right. Okay. And check to see if there's anything else. Very few have more than 2 parts, but you never know. And see where we head. Oh man, I finished a workspace. I hope that you have some success this week. And if you have any questions, let me know. But we're still in reasoning with shapes. And I finished a workspace. I'm on number 3 now. So make sure you got the numbers. Make sure you push yourself 20 minutes every week. Thank you.